Namaste. Are you looking to power your hotel with sustainable energy and cut down on those hefty electricity bills? Solar Sanket, powered by Sanjivani Greens, offers a smart solar solution tailored just for you. Your customized quotation. For a hotel in North India with a roof area of 2,500 SQ meters and a daily energy requirement of 250 kilowatt hours, we've got a solution. Our Solar Sanket system is designed to meet your needs efficiently. Quotation summary. System capacity, 267.09 kilowatts. Estimated daily output, 2,106 kilowatt hour, day. System cost panels, plus installation, 16,025,400. Battery backup unit, 20 plus kilowatt hour for 90,000. Total quotation estimate, 16,115,400, inclusive of standard installation and government subsidy options. Savings ahead, monthly savings, 60,000, yearly savings, 730,000. Imagine slaving less to electricity bills and more to serving your guests with eco-friendly comfort. Ready to illuminate your hotel with solar power? Reach out to Sanjivani Greens. Email greenenergy@sanjivanagreens.in. WhatsApp +919974655598. Website www.sanjivanagreens.in. Power your hospitality with sunshine. Switch to Solar Sanket today and let sustainability drive your business forward.